why a non-scientist would be present in this, or why it should be present in this. It's really difficult to explain. I mean, one of the main reasons is that you will be confronted to really the frontier of science at the moment. So really, the newest thing will be presented. I also believe that the way to present neutrinos is something that can be accessible to almost everybody, if it's played in the proper way, of course, without using mathematics. So I think it will be easy to the people to really get information about what's going on in the world of neutrinos. Third reason is because we are going to be speaking about really challenging experiments, experiments which are done across 300 kilometers, so just simply the engineering and the technological challenges of that will be really appealing for anybody to know about. So I think it's really showing many things in the field that might be attracting people from outside. I would also like to say that neutrinos is a very mysterious particle, not only for the common of the people, but also for the scientists. So we can share with them our, I would not say love, but our interest for this particle. Okay, what we plan to discuss in this session in the ESOF 2010 about neutrinos is basically all the new stuff that is coming in the world of neutrinos in the last 10 years or so. Neutrino has been always a very strange particle for the particle physicists, for physicists in general, because it has very special properties. It has no mass, or we thought for a long time that it has no mass, it has no charge, and since the discovery of this particle in the 30s, it has been always a mystery for the people, or for the scientists, the properties of those particles. Actually, scientists has been looking into this particle for almost 50 years, but at the end of the last century, around 1998, we discovered that all what we thought in the past was completely wrong, and the neutrinos actually have mass. And this has changed radically our vision of this particle, and since then, the field of neutrino physics has been booming a lot. There are many experiments around trying to measure the mass of these particles, but not only the mass, is that the fact that the neutrino has mass opens also the possibility of certain properties which are different from other kind of particles in the particle physics, and we're trying to investigate that. We have also, together with the boom of astroparticle physics in the last 10 or 20 years, starting to use neutrinos as messengers from beyond the Earth, from the cosmos. And this topic will be also discussed in this session.